the room tour in Casitas 3379. This is one of the newly renovated rooms, and they did a fantastic job. Now, because the resort is under renovation, they did give you some pins. Special edition. I think it's cute that they say under construction. Little welcome note, your towels. What's nice is there's space under the bed, so if you want to put your suitcase under there so it's not taking up space, that's really wonderful. All your lights are here, USB plugs, plenty for both sides. Oh, and there's little reading lights in here too, which is cool. Huge 55-inch flat screen. I think that's one of the biggest TVs I have seen at a Disney hotel. Over here you have a Keurig, ice. I believe the mini fridge is down here. Nice desk area, especially if you're coming here for a conference. Really, really nice. Drawers. And then they have these doors so it does close off the bathroom area, so if somebody's getting ready, that's a really nice feature. The shower is nice. I really like the stand-up showers personally. I prefer that to a tub. And I really like how they went to the whole bottles, you know, especially for conserving plastic and being more eco-friendly. I think that's awesome. Do you like the shampoo tray here? Nice shower head, and I like the detachable. Then ladies, let me give you a call out. We all know how nice that is when you need to shave your legs. Alrighty. Toilet. Love that it's a double vanity. Storage underneath. There's a lot of storage in this room, and you've got a closet right here, ironing board. Just really, really great. Good size room. Love the new renovations. And then I'll show you the view. And a little sitting chair, of course. So here's the view out from our room right now. You don't have to look at too much construction here. There is a pool just over yonder. And that is it. Thank you, and make sure you stay tuned for more great Disney travel and cruise videos.